What percent of A is 3A? So first of all, we will convert this word problem into mathematical form. So in mathematics, what means unknown value? So for unknown, we can write as X percent. So for percent, we can write as 1 divided by 100 of. In mathematics, of means multiply by. A, we will write A as A. Is means is equal to 3A. So we will write 3A as 3A. Now simplify this equation as X divided by 100 A is equal to 3A. Now this A will cancel this A, so X by 100 is equal to 3. So we will send this 100 over here as X is equal to 3 into 100. So X is equal to 300. So 300% of A is 3A. So this is the required answer.